Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the mesh closely to define the repair zone and any hidden damage. This tells you whether patching or stitching is best. Once you know the tier size, remove the shoe's insole and stuff the toe with a form or clean cloth to create a firm backing. Make sure to clean with 70% isopropyl so adhesive bonds, then trim frayed fibers and tape edges if needed so the first stitches or patch sit flat. Now you position a breathable mesh or tier-specific patch, either under the rip for interior support or over it for exterior protection. Tack it with a thin bead of adhesive so it won't shift. Next, use a curved needle and strong polyester thread to sew around the tier with small, even stitches. This transfers load from torn fibers to the patch. Once done, add bar tack stitches at stress points and apply a second adhesive layer to seal. The final steps are trimming any excess patch and pressing the repair flat. Then let the adhesive cure fully, typically 12 to 24 hours, so the bond reaches full strength. Once cured, reinsert the insole and gently flex the shoe to test comfort and durability. Walk short distances first to confirm the repair holds under real motion. If you see gaps, loose thread, or adhesive bleed, pause and add targeted glue or a couple of stitches to secure that specific area before full use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.